Hi, Henry Prinzen here with Maizex Seeds, agronomist in Ontario here. We're looking at some corn today and we're going to talk a little bit about fungicide timing. We're probably halfway through fungicide timing in parts of Ontario, but we're still going through some fungicide timing later in other areas. And today we're just looking at, when are we actually going to be out in the field? So this is a really good example of a silk that we want to be trying to hit. We don't really have many brown silks, if any, right now. And the whole row, all the plants are out with a couple inches of white silks, so we can protect against dawn, right? Those vomitoxin, the Fusarium gibberella ear rot, that's the timing there. The other thing that's gonna work great is this timing. We're approaching August here. We can really get the next 2-3 weeks of coverage for tar spot and push that disease progression into September, which, progression's been slow with the heat and the dry weather. So we're really we're optimistic that a good time fungicide in the next week here, or this week yet, is really going to give us good disease control and look after dawn and tar spot well into the fall, where we need to get that stay green plant health and we can maximize our kernel weight. There's some really good options on the market. Talk to your local agronomist or Maizex representative, but Veltima DLX is a great option. The new Delero got registered at a new rate, 20 acres. You can top that up with a little bit of Proline for maximum dawn coverage, and then still Miravis Neo in those areas where maybe we have a little less tar spot, but we're really worried just more about plant health in a drought, return on investment, cheaper fungicide option in some of the areas where we're maybe not quite as concerned on tar spot. If you have any questions, reach out, and that's today's AgroMinute.